Welcome to another episode of today's lesson. Today we are learning how to convert fractions into percentage. Okay, we are converting fractions to percentage. How do you go about this? Let's look at a few examples. The first example we have is 1 over 2 as usual. How do you change this one into a percentage form? All you need to do is to multiply your fractions by 100. So this one we are going to multiply it by 100. This one, we have two methods of going about it. The first and easiest way is to cancel this one by itself 1, and is to cancel here 50 times. Then you'll be having 1 times 50, which is going to give you 50. Then you add your percentage sign to it. Okay. Another form of going about the same thing, okay, as you have 1 over 2, is to first of all multiply it by 100. Then you have 1 times the 100 all over the 2. So this and this will give you 100 divided by 2. This will cancel itself 1 and cancel here 2, cancel here 50 times. So you now have your 50 and then you add your percentage sign. Okay, either of them is okay for you. When you look at your fraction, you realize that you can cancel the denominator by any of the numerators, either by the 100 or by the numerators. You can go about it, cancel it, then you have a simple or smaller value to multiply, which is going to make it easy for you. But if you realize that the denominator here cannot go into either the 100 and give you a whole number, or cannot go into its numerator to give you a whole number, then what you do is to use the second method. Multiply the numerator by the 100, then what you have, you divide it by the denominator. That is as easy as possible, I believe so. Let's look at few other examples. Example number 2, we should be having 3 over 4 as a fraction, which we are going to convert into a percentage form. So what do? We are going to multiply this by 100. First method, we said this one, 2 can go here how many times? 2 can go here 2 times. And the 4 itself can cancel itself. The 4 can cancel itself 1 time. And the 4 can go into 100 how many times? 25 times. Now you'll be having your 3 multiplying the 25, which is actually going to give you 75. And all you have to do is to add your percentage sign. So this is the first method. The second method, as I said, we have 3. The second method, we have 3 over 4 multiplying 100. Then you break it down as 3 multiplying the 100. That is, if you don't want to cancel anything, you are not sure you can cancel, then just go about it like that. And this will divide by what? 4. And this will give you 300. This time around, if you can cancel from here, you are good to go. If you can't, then multiply this and this should give you 300 all over 4. Then you use your long division method to break it down. And when this one, you use the long division method, you realize that 4 will go into this place, 75. Then all you have to do is to write the 75 and add your percentage sign. I have a few examples on the board. Kindly pause the video and solve these questions. When you get your answers, submit your answers into the comment section for marking. Alright, and welcome back. We are now going to solve these questions together. The first thing, as we said, first thing is to multiply your fraction by 100. And if you can cancel the denominator by either the 100 or by the numerator, you do so. This time around, I'm going to cancel this. The 10 can go into itself 1 time, and the 10 can go into 10. How many? 100 how many times? 10 times. So therefore, I'll be having 4 times 10, which is going to give you 40. Then I'll only have to add my percentage sign to it. Okay. Let's move to the second one. 6 over 25. 6 over 25, what do? We just multiply it by 100. Okay, 25 can go into itself how many times? 1 time. And 25 can go into 100 how many times? 4 times. So you'll only be having 6 times 4, which is going to give you what? 24. Then you only have to add your percentage sign to it. Look at the last one. We have 6 over 30 as a fraction to convert to percentage. As usual, the first thing we do is to multiply it by 100. What do we do now? You can either cancel from here and here or cancel from here and here. So first thing, I can cancel the 0 here, and the 0 can cancel here. Now I'm left with the 6 over 3 multiplying 10. I can cancel the 3 by 10. because if I do so, it will give me a decimal number, okay, and that will be complicated for me. So what I will do is that I'll cancel the 3, it will cancel itself 1, and cancel the 6 here. How many times? 2 times. So we'll now be having 2 times the remaining 10 here, which is actually going to give you 20. Then you only have to add your percentage sign to it. Thank you so much for being part of today's episode. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to grow the channel and share the link to your colleagues to also join us. I'll see you again in our next episode. Bye.